Hello, wanderers of the world. Welcome to the Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for unique and exciting travel experiences. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the land of the longleaf pine, a state filled with diverse cultures, scenic beauty, and rich history. Yes, you guessed it. We're hopping over to North Carolina, a state known for more than just its southern charm. So, buckle up as we hop around North Carolina to uncover its distinct features. Our first stop takes us to where human flight took wing, the site of the Wright Brothers First Flight. It was here on the sandy dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, that the dream of flight transformed into reality. The Wright brothers' ingenuity and perseverance ushered in a new era of travel and exploration. This iconic spot marks a significant leap in human innovation, forever changing our perspective of the world. From the birth of flight to the birth of ideas, next up is the Research Triangle Park. Nestled in the heart of North Carolina, RTP is a beacon of innovation and progress. Home to over 200 companies, it's a powerhouse of technology and research advancements. Its influence reverberates far beyond the state's borders, with groundbreaking contributions in fields like biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and information technology. RTP, a cornerstone in the global tech landscape, continues to shape our future. Adding to North Carolina's intellectual prowess are its three prestigious universities. North Carolina State, UNC-Chapel Hill, and Duke University form a veritable powerhouse of education and research, creating a vibrant, dynamic environment that fosters innovation. These institutions are renowned for their rigorous academic programs, groundbreaking research, and their commitment to shaping the leaders of tomorrow. Each university, with its unique strengths, contributes significantly to the intellectual wealth of the state and beyond. These institutions stand as pillars of knowledge and innovation. From academia, we journey to the breathtaking Outer Banks Islands. A string of barrier islands, the Outer Banks is a natural spectacle of pristine beaches, rich history, and unique wildlife. Here, the sand dunes whisper tales of pirate lore, and the lighthouses stand as timeless sentinels. The islands are home to charming communities, each with a distinct character, and offer a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Outer Banks, a true seaside paradise, leave an indelible mark on every visitor. Now let's switch gears and head to the adrenaline-pumping world of NASCAR. In North Carolina, racing isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. The state is home to the NASCAR Hall of Fame and Charlotte Motor Speedway, where legends are born and thrills are a dime a dozen. North Carolina's love affair with NASCAR runs deep. From the roaring engines to the cheering crowds, it's a spectacle that is both thrilling and deeply ingrained in the state's culture. NASCAR, deeply rooted in North Carolina, continues to captivate millions. From high-speed thrills, we move to delectable delights at the founding location of Krispy Kreme donuts. Born in the heart of North Carolina, Krispy Kreme started its journey in the year of 1937. With its original glazed donuts, it has been winning hearts and taste buds ever since. This iconic donut shop is not just a business, it's a testament to North Carolina's sweet tooth and a symbol of its hospitable spirit. Krispy Kreme, a delightful North Carolina original, sweetens the world one donut at a time. Next, we tune into the rhythmic heart of North Carolina. It's bluegrass music. This melodious genre, with roots deep in the state's history, sings the stories of North Carolina. From the rolling mountains to the bustling city streets, bluegrass is the state's musical heartbeat, pulsating with life and tradition. It's the echo of the past meeting the hum of the present, a vibrant symphony of strings and voices. Bluegrass, a vibrant part of North Carolina's soul, keeps the state's cultural beat alive. From music, we travel to the architectural marvel, the Biltmore estate. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Asheville, this French Renaissance-inspired chateau is America's largest privately owned home. Built by George Vanderbilt in the late 19th century, the estate boasts of 250 rooms, including 35 bedrooms, 43 bathrooms, and 65 fireplaces. The grandeur extends to the 8,000 acres of lush gardens and vineyards. The Biltmore estate, a testament to opulence and grandeur, stands as North Carolina's crown jewel. Our journey now takes us to the breathtaking Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Nestled on the border of North Carolina and Tennessee, it's a haven of undulating peaks, lush forests, and diverse wildlife. The park is a testament to nature's grandeur, home to over 1,000 different species of plants, and a refuge for endangered animals. It's not just a park, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. The Great Smoky Mountains, a sanctuary of nature's splendor, enchant every visitor. Finally, we unwind in the vibrant craft beer scene of Asheville. This buzzing city is a haven for craft beer lovers, with its array of breweries each offering unique, locally brewed selections. From hoppy IPAs to rich stouts, the flavors are as diverse as the city itself. The craft beer culture has seen exponential growth, making Asheville a go-to destination for beer tourism. Asheville's craft beer scene, a testament to the city's creativity and love for good brews, is a must-visit for every beer enthusiast. And that wraps up our North Carolina tour, fellow travelers. We've journeyed from the birthplace of aviation to the thrill of NASCAR, savored sweet Krispy Kreme donuts, and tapped our feet to the rhythm of bluegrass music. We hope you've enjoyed this adventure as much as we have. If you're craving more, don't forget to subscribe to the Traveling Kangaroo channel. Visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com, and follow us on social media. Let's keep hopping around the world with Traveling Kangaroo. Until next time, keep exploring.